Alright guys, tomorrow is a dreadful day for me. What I mean by that, school starts tomorrow, which means 5 a.m. the alarm goes off. Hannah Grace has to be at school at 6:30, but we get up at 5. We'll cook her lunch for her and pack her lunch for her. Of course, Hannah Grace, she's excited. Going back to school to see her friends. And today covered all her books, put a cover on them. So they're all ready to go. Her bags are packed. She's excited. The only one who's not excited is me, because you know what? It's been kind of nice sleeping in a little bit for the past 2 months. But anyways, it is what it is. Yeah. Hannah Grace, are you excited for school tomorrow? What are you excited about?
Just my classmates.
To see your classmates again?
Yeah.
Are you excited for your new teachers?
No.
No. She said she's scared of her new teacher.
Strict.
Very strict. Are you ready to get up at 5 a.m.?
No.
No. What about, let's see, what about, are you ready for Giesignal?
No.
Giesignal is time to get up, right? What about Lego Now? Lego Now.
No.
Lego Now is time for a bath. And da-ling, da-ling, da-ling. Hurry up, hurry up. Well, Hannah Grace is excited to see her friends. She's not too excited about her new school teacher because she's very strict, which is good. And there's her bag, ready to go. Her tissues and her books, and well, that's not your lunch box. And her box and her lunch bag, which will get packed tomorrow. And there is her backpack. And Hannah Grace, say we'll see you tomorrow morning.
See you.
Tomorrow morning. We're gonna film Hannah Grace tomorrow morning and see if she's still excited. She'll be excited because it's the first day of school. Hannah Grace has PE on her first day of school. That's why she's not in her uniform. Are you ready? Are you excited? No? You know what? The thing here is, they don't have school buses here, like public school buses. So you got to provide transportation for your child. Some people hire trike drivers for this, for the school year that pick the kids up and take them to school. A lot of times parents will get together with other parents in the area and they might all pitch in and split a trike. Of course, you got jeepneys. People will use the jeepney system here to get to the schools, but the jeepneys are not going to drop your child off right in front of the school. I mean, they'll get the child into the area on the jeepney route, and then the child get off and either walk, if they're close enough, yeah, they'll walk, and that's how they get to school. Some of your private schools do provide transportation for the kids in the form of vans and things like that, but Hannah Grace goes to a private school, but they do not provide transportation. That's why we got to get up in the morning and I got to drive her to school. So, anything else to say, Hannah Grace? Nothing? Trying to wake up? We'll turn on some cartoons and all right. What do you think? First day of school, what do you think? What are you making? For breakfast?
Yeah.
What is Hannah Grace having?
This is melon.
Melon?
It's like a...
Like a spam? It's like a spam. Is she having that for lunch?
That's her lunch.
That's her lunch. What's her breakfast?
Her breakfast is fruits.
Fruits.
Yeah.
Oh, her breakfast is fruits. Her lunch is going to be a spam with eggs, right?
Yeah.
Spam and eggs. Eggs and spam. Now the school does have a canteen there. What I mean by a canteen is, you know, like a little lunch place that kids can buy lunch and stuff. It's almost like a sorry store. But we, what does she eat? We give her money, what, twice a week. There's 2 days that she likes to buy something there that she really likes. The rest of the time, we just pack her lunch. But yeah, they don't provide like a lunch, like a Western style lunch like back in the States. I don't even know how they do it anymore in the schools. But I know growing up, they would have a cafeteria, and you would go into the cafeteria and got your lunch for the day. But yeah, most kids, they pack their lunch, right? Look, yeah, most kids just pack their lunch and stuff. Like I said, at least twice a week, they do serve something at the little canteen they have there, and she likes to get that. All right, we're counting down the minutes to leave for school. We've always got Disney Channel on in the morning.
Good morning, everyone. It's the first day of school.
Everybody's excited.
Yeah,
about,
she want to leave early.
Yeah.
She want to see her classmates.
But in about another month from now, everybody will be dragging. Oh, and Lut informed me that there is not a holiday tomorrow on Tuesday. It's next week, right, Lut?
Yeah.
The 12th. So Hannah Grace is a little upset because she was looking forward for a holiday. So the 12th is the holiday. What is it, Independence Day?
Yeah.
Independence Day. All right, guys. We are going to get ready to go to school. All right, guys. We just dropped Hannah Grace off at school, and we are up at the market now. Haven't been up here in a while, the big Palenque market. And Lut's gonna do some shopping. I'm gonna walk around, do some filming here. Yeah, we're at the big Palenque market here in Angeles City. And I actually parked in the parking lot. I didn't know there was a parking lot back here, but there is. And it's just a muddy mess back in here. Let me show you. It is a muddy, muddy mess. But where we parked, it was dry. But gotta find a place to walk here. You can see this is the parking area back in here. And it is a muddy mess, so. Where you going, Lut?
Hey, you got a picture.
Hey, I got a picture.
Yeah.
Hey, all right.
Nice. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome. Oh, you're going that way? All right.
Yeah, nakamikot to. Good morning.
Good morning.
Lepas kami sa market, dapat.
There's the market. See, this is the area you don't see.
Hello everyone.
Hello, hello. Everybody's friendly. Where am I from? U.S. U.S. But live here. All right. We got to navigate our way through here. Come on, you can do it. Never been back in through here.
I think we should walk.
We will. I just got a major stink foot, Lut.
I
Huh?
I just got major stink foot.
What is this?
All right. funny because as soon as you break out the camera and stuff and start filming people, everybody around starts smiling and laughing and carrying on. I noticed that up here at the market. I think it's great. Everybody's just, you know, everybody's just friendly. And everybody's got a smile on their face. I know some of you people are going to say, oh, that's unsanitary, it's unhealthy, you know, how they handle the food here and the meat. They don't wear gloves, no hair nets and everything, but you know what? That's the Philippines. That's how the Philippines roll. I mean, this is, every market is like that. It is what it is. I mean, you're not going to change it, and that's how they do it here. All right, Hannah Grace is back from school. How was your first day of school?
Good.
And how were the boys? Did they behave?
Yeah.
And how about the girls? Did they behave?
Yeah.
And was there a lot of chismis, a lot of gossip going on with the girls? Yeah, what were you gossiping about?
What did you do? What's your lunch? That.
What did you do? What's your lunch? Just a lot of silly talk? Yeah. And what about the strict teacher that you were afraid of? How was she today?
Good.
She was good?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did good with her? And where is your seat in the classroom?
Beside Gab and Heaven.
Are you in the front row?
No,
Second row. And Hannah Grace did not get any demerits today. She was actually the only one last year in her class with 0 demerits. She did not get a single demerit, which is good. And they get demerits when they don't listen. What else? No homework.
Not following instructions.
Not following instructions. Just kind of the rules of the school. But anyways, Hannah Grace did very well, and she had a very good day. Are you ready for tomorrow's school? Wake up at 5 a.m.? Yeah. Any homework today?
English, Tagalog.
English.
That's spelling.
English, Tagalog, spelling. So, anything else?
Nothing.
Nothing? Good day?
Good day.
All right.
Bye-bye.
All right, so today's treat for the first day of school is?
Me.
No, what's a treat?
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. We are treating ourselves, not Mr. Muscles. We don't want any of that. We are treating ourselves for the first day of school to some hello, hello. If you're not familiar with what hello, hello is, it's a like an ice treat here. It's got all kinds of goodies in there. I can't even begin to tell you what's all in there. I know there's corn in there. There's ubi ice cream. What else is in there?
Jackfruits.
Jackfruits. Maybe look and tell you.
Beans.
Beans. Some kind of beans.
I don't have idea what kind of beans.
She don't have an idea. What kind of beans?
And ove.
All right, Ovi, ice cream.
And ice.
Ice.
Sugar.
Sugar. Condensed milk.
And iba.
Iba.
Condensed.
Yeah.
No, it's milk.
Milk.
Rather.
Yeah.
And also jelly.
Some type of jelly. Anyways, it's got a bunch of good stuff in it, and that is today's treat for the first day of school. Huh? Nangkat. What's that? Jackfruit? Oh. But there it is. There it is. Our hello treat for the day. Yummy, yummy.
Yummy.
All right, guys, I am going to wrap this one up. Yeah, today was that day that I dreaded. 5 a.m. comes way too early. But you know what, on a positive note, here's a good thing. In the Philippines, there is multiple holidays here in the Philippines. It seems like every other week there's a day off for some reason or a holiday. So actually, next week, I think the 12th, there's a holiday. So I'll get to sleep in. But anyway, school has started here in the Philippines. Some start on the 9th. Some started today, and then I think some start the 9th. But anyways, yeah. So 5 a.m. wake up call, and the journey continues tomorrow. I know tonight I'll fall asleep early, which is a good thing. So anyways, we'll see you tomorrow.